You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
I came back from surgery on pain meds and I rolled my ankle. That was May 26th. It swelled up, very unbearable. Since then, the swelling has gone down, but I still have pain at the ball of my foot and on the second toe. It hurts to stand long or walk any length of distance. It hurts. I can't tiptoe. I can't wear heels, and I have to limp most of the time.
The surgery was not related to your ankle. And how much pain do you feel from 0 to 10?
When it's really bad, it's like a 7.
7 out of 10. Okay, I want to see how you walk and tell us how much pain you feel while walking. Just normal walking back and forth here. Is that your normal speed? You're limping.
I'm limping because
Yep.
it hurts.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
Right now, because I'm limping, it's probably like a 3, 4.
What if I let you walk a little longer? That will increase?
Yes, the
Okay.
more walking, the
Let's
worse.
do one more time. You've been limping like that since May?
Yes. I was in a wheelchair because I couldn't walk for how long? A couple weeks.
When you're ready, lie on your back so I can work on the ankle. As I told you, everything should be pain-free. Make sure you let me know if you feel any pain.
Pain is not good.
If you feel pain, that's damage to the healthy tissue. Pain is a check engine signal.
Yes.
If you ignore it, you're gonna have more damage. If we address it, we can fix it.
Okay. Well, that's good to know.
That's where I disagree with the philosophy, no pain, no gain. It's
Right.
actually causes more damage than benefits.
Okay.
Hold it up. Hold it up. And so you can do this one. So it's all in here, yeah?
Yes.
That's painful?
No.
That tender here?
No.
This
One.
here.
More the side where you squeezed.
So you're gonna feel cold. Let me know if you feel pain, okay? Okay. You hear that crunchiness?
Yes.
A lot of scar tissue.
Okay.
You get a lot of scar tissue there. Okay.
Yeah, I can feel that.
Is it painful?
Just a tiny bit.
Okay. Relax. Would you let me know, okay?
Okay.
I cannot trick your mind. Not today.
That would take too long.
Yeah, I'm working on it. Is that too much? Okay.
It's a little painful
So why are you not telling me?
because I'm thinking if it's the old mentality.
Yeah.
You can break it down and work through it.
If you feel pain, that's a damage to the healthy
Okay.
tissue. And that's going to cause a new scar tissue. We don't want that. We want everything comfortable. Okay. I made a mess. Relax. You hear that grinding? Yeah, that's a lot of scar tissue. Okay. So after that, I will have you walk again and tell me how much pain you feel now. Okay? Put your shoes on. Walk. Any pain or it's gone?
There's a little bit of pain in my toe still, but it's much better. That is much better. It's just in the toe now.
Where in the toe?
In the back, just in that second toe.
Okay, let's lie on your back. Just don't crash your glasses.
Then that would be another injury.
Yeah, relax. So this is the area. In here you feel
Yes.
Relax. Okay, relax. You feel the scar tissue there, the crunchiness? Yeah, you get a lot of scar tissue. The scar tissue is part of the healing process with any injury. It's essential for our survival. The problem when we have too much scar tissue, they're compressing on the nerve and artery. So we have to manually break it down, otherwise it's gonna cause a lot of issues. Let's walk back and forth and tell me how that feels.
Oh yeah, that does feel better.
It's gone or you're still feeling?
Just the other toe still.
Okay, let's drink some water. Make sure you drink your water. Finish this cup and I want you to walk again and tell me how that feels.
Cold.
Okay, you don't have to finish the whole thing. So let's walk back and forth and tell me how that feels.
It's better, much better. Well, yeah, I don't have to limp.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.